Photography has always been about light, the very word itself meaning writing with light. And while smartphones have achieved incredible milestones in photography, their Achilles heel has always been challenging night shots. Yet OPPO believes that good is never good enough. And with the OPPO Find X8 Ultra, the brand is rewriting the rules of photography forever, because this device is not just another upgrade. It is a bold reimagination of what a smartphone camera can achieve, born from a team of engineers armed with chip-making expertise and an obsession for perfection, tackling challenges once deemed impossible, carving prisms with semiconductor precision, crafting glass filters that resist the harshest weather, and merging artistry with technology in ways no competitor has dared. And this is not just innovation for innovation's sake. It is a direct response to real users, to photographers and storytellers who want a device that captures life with unmatched clarity and soul. So if you think it all sounds too good to be true, here's the reality. Yes, it is that good. And yes, it is true, because OPPO has taken the lessons from the Find X7 Ultra, a device loved for its power, but criticized for struggles in low light and mixed lighting conditions, and turned those challenges into opportunities. Started with the introduction of the revolutionary True Chroma Sensor, a tiny sensor that makes a huge difference, capable of reading light in a way no other smartphone has. Achieved, ensuring skin tones remain natural, neon lights retain their glow, and the ambience of nightscapes is preserved with cinematic precision. And while OPPO has introduced a powerful penta-camera system, it's that smallest sensor that deserves the spotlight, showing the world that size doesn't define impact. And with this system, portrait and complex lighting feel alive. Macro shots are no longer blurry but sharp and immersive. Zoom photography retains clarity even at extreme distances. And every lens has been engineered not as a gimmick, but as a tool for storytelling. Because OPPO doesn't see itself as a phone maker. It sees itself as a creator of powerful tools for digital storytellers, those who want to bend the physics of light and capture the world with the same wonder as a human eye. And where the industry often coasts on incremental upgrades, the Find X8 Ultra dares to leap forward, proving that creativity should never wait, and neither should you, and every detail in. This phone reflects OPPO's relentless pursuit of perfection, from the precision optics that breathe life into every frame, to the AI computational photography that processes images with unmatched realism and dynamic range, to the weather-resistant durability that ensures creators can capture their vision no matter conditions. And this is why the OPPO Find X8 Ultra is more than just a phone. It is a portable studio, a professional-grade camera system, and a creative companion built for those who dream bigger, shoot bolder, and demand the best. Because whether it's capturing the vibrant chaos of neon-lit streets, the intimacy of candlelit dinner, the breathtaking scale of distant landscapes, or the delicate detail of a blooming flower, the Find X8 Ultra ensures your story is told exactly as you envisioned, rich in clarity, depth, and soul. And this is OPPO's quest for the ultimate shot, not settling for what's possible, but pushing into what was once impossible. And that is why the OPPO Find X8 Ultra doesn't just compete. It redefines the future of mobile imaging. And for creators, travelers, photographers, and dreamers, it stands as the ultimate tool that turns fleeting moments into timeless masterpieces. And with every click, you'll realize that this is not just smartphone photography. This is artistry redefined. This is innovation with purpose. This is the OPPO Find X8 Ultra rewriting the rules of photography. And you are watching TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest breakthroughs in the world of technology.